Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Tricks TV. It's time for unboxing of my new gadget, the MI Band 4. So it was launched yesterday, that's 19 September on Amazon and mi.com, and I've got it today, that's 20th of September. So thanks to Amazon for super fast delivery. Without further ado, let's start with the unboxing. So let me open it up. Before this, I have used MI Band HRX edition. After using it for 2+ years, its display stopped working, so I finally decided to get this band. So here we have the MI Band. This is the bill. I'll keep it aside. So it cost around 2299, and let me open it up and see what's inside the box. Okay, we have a tape here. Okay, nice packaging. Okay, so here we have the fitness tracker, and here we have the charger. Okay, so the charger this time is a bit different than the previous bands, so you cannot use your old chargers, those won't be compatible with this. And here we have the manual of how to configure your device on your phone. So let me keep it aside and open this up. So it comes with a colorful display. This is the new thing about this. So here we have the device, and the strap remains the same as it was in the previous bands. And here we have the heart rate sensor. So you can control your music and volume. You can change the watch faces. It is available in different colors, and it comes with a 20 days of battery life. So you will need a MI Fit app. So I'll show you the app on my phone, and we'll try to configure it. So it says you have to pair it first. If you tap on it, it says pair first. So let me turn on the Bluetooth of my mobile device. So I'll go to profile and remove my old, or if you want, you don't need to remove the old device, you can click on add device option, and then you need to choose band and click on the OK button. So it comes with a 1-year warranty. The features remain the same, like it can track your sleep and steps. The display is like 39.9% wider. Okay, it says couldn't connect to the internet. Let me just connect to the internet. So you will be needing the internet to pair your device. Now it will search for the band. You need to keep your band near the device. So you need to, okay, there's some error, could not pair the band. Keep the band close to your phone. Try again. Let's wait for some time. So it comes with a heart rate as tracker as well. Okay, let me just update the MI Fit app first and then try it. So I opened the Play Store. Let me search for MI Fit. So I'll update the app first. So I think it is started the pairing. It says that pair the phone, you need to tap on the tick icon. Okay, so it has been paired successfully. I did not had to update the app, but I will recommend you that you update the app so that you can avoid any future problem. So the pairing is going on, as you can see on my mobile, and the display is quite bright. I really like the display of the gadget. So it also has a swim tracking with stroke recognition, and you get unlimited watch faces. You can track your daily activity with the device. It has a water resistance up to 50 meter. That means it is only splash resistance, and as you can see, the device has been successfully configured, and now you need to click on the activate button. So it says before activating previously paired. Okay, so I need to disconnect the HRX band. I'll click on the OK button. So now this device will be activated. It will take some time to load. You can also decline the call on your device. You don't need to use your phone. So the next sale date for this device is 28th of September. Okay, couldn't connect, unsent data may be lost. Okay, let's continue anyway. So I was saying the next sale date is 28th of September at 1 p.m. on mi.com. And as you can see, the device has been successfully configured. I'll click on the OK button. Now it is restoring the band settings. It will restore from the previous device. So I'll wait for it to complete. So you can get this device on Amazon as well. I would suggest you to get this device on Amazon to get it quickly delivered. Okay, so I'll restore my previous settings. I'll set up the Bluetooth unlock. I'll enter my password. So as you can see, the device was successfully configured, and it is showing that I have 17% of charge right now on my device. And you can see on this device also it is showing a battery indicator that 17% it is charged. And here we have the step counter, and next we have like the music. We can play the music and go to the next or the previous track. So let's see, what do we have next. Okay, so this is the status. So it is showing me the number of steps, the distance in meter, and calories that I have burned. Let's check. This is the heart rate sensor. So it is asking me to fasten the band slightly above your wrist bone. Okay, so let me just show you a quick demo of it. Okay, so basically you have the sensor on the back side of the device. So it is checking my heart rate. It takes some time to estimate. Okay, right now it is 86 BPM. Okay, let's go to the next option. Let's see, what do we have. Okay, this is the workout. I'll leave it. Here we have the weather. You can check the weather. Okay, next we have the notifications and more. Okay, we have DND alarm. We can set the alarm. Okay, nice. In previous devices these options were not available. Okay, so music, we have all, like most of the apps. We have the timer, we have the find device. Let me try this one. Okay, so your device will sound a beep. You can close this. Okay, so it becomes easier for you to find the device. we have band display. We can, let's see what else we can do. Okay, we have a stopwatch. Okay, so this you can, like, if you're into fitness, you can track your plank seconds. Okay, let's stop the stopwatch. Okay, next we have the timer. We will set it for 2 seconds and see. Okay, so it vibrates and tells you that the time is up. Okay, let's stop this, go back. Stop and now, yes. Okay, we have settings. We can lock the screen, we can reboot the device. Okay, so here there's an option by which you can increase the brightness of your device if you're in low light condition. So it gives you an option. Earlier this option was not available. So this is the maximum brightness which you can have on your device. Let me reduce the brightness and show you how it looks. Okay, this is the minimum brightness. I'll increase the brightness, so you can set it accordingly. Okay, let's go back. There's a reboot option as well. Okay, I don't want to reboot. I'll click on the close icon. I'll try with the silent. Okay, the alarm will be on. So I think the device, my mobile, will be on silent mode, or maybe it will not vibrate, it will not alert me. Okay, so my mobile will be on silent mode. Right now it is not connected. So that's all about this device. I will do an in-depth review of this device after using it for like 1 month. So do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, New Tech Tricks TV. Thanks for watching, and I will leave the link in the description below, with which you can buy this device on Amazon. And a quick mention that Amazon has some offers which you can use to get this device at a lower cost. So bye for now.